Hello and welcome to Yoruba Made Easy Beginner to Advanced Learning Program. My name is Busayo and I will be guiding you every step of the way as you unlock the beauty of the Yoruba language. In this course, we'll dive into every essential aspect of Yoruba, from confidently introducing yourself to expanding your vocabulary, mastering grammar, and even communicating in real-life situations. You'll start with the basics: greeting people, asking names, and navigating everyday conversations. Then we'll build on that with essential grammar, Yoruba tones, expanding your vocabulary, and learning how to speak about daily activities. And for those of you ready to take it a step further, we have advanced grammar lessons that will help you form complex, fluent sentences and speak with confidence. Whether you're traveling, connecting with friends, family, or just want to feel more at home with the language, this course is designed to equip you with practical language skills that you can use every day. Are you ready to begin your Yoruba language journey? No matter where you are, you'll be speaking Yoruba with confidence in no time. Enroll now and let's make learning Yoruba easy and fun.